Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. Bitcoin has broken down a very significant support of $33,000. Now we have the next major support at $28,600. And in today's video, we will analyze is there any possibility for the reversal move, or we are going to move more down to test the next support of 28.6K. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, let me to give you some recap. Previously, we had some bullish patterns. For example, here we had this bullish event that was a formation of a big Cypher pattern that I shared with my members at the Patreon on 23rd of January, when Priceline completed a very big harmonic bullish reversal Cypher, and I told them that from here, from $36,000 to $28,800, we can expect a reversal move, and our target can be, as per the Fibonacci sequence of this pattern, from $46,300 to $57,167. And after playing this chart, we can see that the price line rallied well up to $48,189, and again re-entered the same potential reversal zone. And during this move, there was another bullish event, and that was a breakout from a very big down channel. This was the daily time frame chart, and after breaking out this down channel, we had a nice rally up to $48,234, but eventually Priceline moved down, and now it has even broken down the support that is at $33,000. The exact support we have at $32,950. And if we take a look at this zone where the price line has entered now, let me switch it to the weekly time frame, then we can see whenever the price line is entering in this zone, we are having nice rallies towards the upside. So it can be a very, very big buying zone as well. And if we watch the lows of Bitcoin, we can see that it is forming higher lows, and it is possible that it will form another higher low here, and it is still forming the higher highs as well. And it is possible that after entering in this zone, again we will have another massive buying from here, and it will form another higher than previous high. Now, if we take a look at the stochastic here, then we can see that the stochastic has entered completely in the oversold zone. And on the monthly time frame chart, if we take a look at the stochastic, then we have a very, very big hidden bullish divergence, as well as stochastic is forming lower than previous low. And if we watch the price line here, then it is forming higher low than previous low. Yes, it can be invalidated if the price line moves more down and form lower than previous low. In that situation, it can be invalidated, and in that situation, the price line can also break down the support of $28,600 as well. And there is another view that is quite legit, and one of my patron, DM Dale, has highlighted this and this very, very nice view, and that is the formation of a very big falling wedge pattern. Let me show you this move on the weekly time frame. If we switch back to the weekly time frame here, then we can see that let me remove these trend lines, and we can see that from September 2021 we are having this support. Like, we have a bounce here, we have two bounces here, two touch points on the weekly time frame, and right now you can see that the price line is likely to move down to test this support again. And this time, this support will be approximately at the same level where we have the support of $28,600. Yes, it is possible that if Bitcoin moves them sideways here and then moves down, then the support can be more lower. For example, approximately up to $26,000 or $26,500. Now here, if I place a 200 simple moving average on this weekly time frame, that is a very strong support. And we can see Bitcoin has never broken down this support ever since it has appeared on the weekly time frame. You can see it was appeared here as per the Bitstamp exchange back in June 2015. And whenever Bitcoin is touching this support, we are having very, very big rallies. And here, and this was the touch that we had in the month of March 2020, and we had a very, very big rally. And now you can see that this 200 simple moving average is moving up. And it is also possible that we may have some sideways move here, and the 200 simple moving average will also move up to provide the support. And it is also possible that we may not test this 200 simple moving average. We will just test this support of the falling wedge and the support of $28,600, and the price line will be again move up to form another higher than previous high. And right now the value of 200 weekly simple moving average is at $21,848, approximately $22,000, and the difference can be covered very soon. You can see it is aggressively moving up, and this is the resistance of the falling wedge. We have 2 touch points here, we have 1, 2, 3 touch points here. And right now, if we take a look at the target for this falling wedge, for example, if we will break it out, that can be here at the top of the wedge. That will be approximately at $68,000. And if we take a look at the other top altcoins, for example, if we watch Stellar, then it is also moving down like Bitcoin to test the support of this falling wedge. This is quite legit falling wedge. We have so many touch points here at the support. And if we watch Ethereum, it is also forming same falling wedge like the Bitcoin is forming. If we watch ADA, Cardano, then we can see that it is moving down to test the support on the weekly time frame of a down channel, and we have several touch points at the support. And the Bitcoin is also moving down to test the support. So this review is quite valid, quite legit, because we have so many top altcoins forming the same move, and we can expect that once we will touch here, we should be prepared for this move to down here between $28,600 or maybe up to $26,500 to touch this support, and then we can expect another reversal at least up to the resistance of this wedge that will be here approximately at $36,500. And then if Bitcoin breaks it out, then we can observe a massive move to the upside. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.